Now we have our pasta dried and we have our sauce mixture cooked. We're going to go ahead and add the pasta to that, trying to spill as little bit of the pasta as possible. Good thing we've just cleaned our counter. At this point we're going to mix all this together. So we can see some of our pasta started to stick together. So we're just going to work that out, getting our sauce mixed in. One good way to alleviate this problem would be to add olive oil to the pasta right after you've dried it. That'll stop it from cooking or sticking together. You just want to mix this around. Try to breaking up all the pieces of the pasta and coating all the pieces individually. And there you go, you're ready for the next step.